video that you can see, yes, how to do guessing. Total scientific technique I am going to tell you. Till now I was telling you, yes, you have to learn, you have to learn, you have to learn. But exam is nearby. I know that you are in very much stress. Now I am going to tell you the scientific MCQ trick. Yes, 100% sure your answer will be correct. And only 1% students knows that. So those who are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update notification and to do this type of video. Not only Tukka, not only guessing, your total strategy to crack any competitive exam. So here, first of all, I want to tell you that yes, some techniques I am going to tell you, but before going that, I am telling you, with the tukka, with the guessing, you will be not able to pass the exam. Tukka से तो exam pass नहीं हो सकता है, but tukka or guessing will help you to increase your percentage, to increase your marks, to increase your rank. Definitely, जो student अच्छा मार्क्स लेके आते हैं, अगर उसमें से तुक्का लगाए कि 60% मार्क्स हो रहा है, तुक्का लगा के आपका 70% हो सकता है, आपका रैंक आ रहा है 200 के अंदर, वो रैंक 100 के अंदर आ सकते, इट्स पॉसिबल. एंड if you are losing for only 2 to 3 marks, maybe you are not able to reach to the cutoff, then with this tukka technique, with this MCQ guessing technique, you will be able to crack the exam. That is more important. At least 10 to 15 marks you will be able to score from this MCQ guessing. So watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. And after watching, let me know in the comment section how you are feeling now. See that first thing, B and C option strategy. Yes, 70% of the time I am telling you from all the analysis. As you know, I am the mentor of thousands of students. I am teaching for the competitive exams, especially for UGC NET and SET exam, which is very much competition is there. Only 6% students are coming here in the assistant professor and 1% students are coming here in JRF. So here after this 4 to 5 years analysis, I am telling you that yes, B and C strategy, 70% of the time B and C option is coming correct. See, when you will do the guessing, when you don't know anything, then only do the guessing. Some questions are like that. You are able to understand something. You are able to do the elimination also. You know something. कुछ भी आता है आपको, आप पढ़ के आए हो, कुछ भूल गए हो, then try to apply your mind, try to recall the concept, try to do guessing. But when you don't know anything, it's totally unknown to you, then only go for this option strategy. Otherwise don't go for it. अगर आपको ये याद है, कभी भी आप पढ़ के आए हो, sometimes you read this, so then recall it, try to apply your brain strategy. I will tell you last. But tukka guessing only for those questions whatever you don't know. First of all, collect your marks where you are 100% sure. After that, at the end of the time, means last moment of the exam, when only 10 to 20 minutes left, then only try for this guessing strategy. Don't try it in the beginning. Now next one, here is an example. You can see from this question I am showing you, yes, the C is the answer here. Most of the time B and C is the correct answer, because examiner nahi chahte, examiner don't want that you will get the answer in the option A or you will get the answer in option D. Normally their tendency as a human behavior, with this algorithm, with this genetic algorithm, neural network strategy only, I am telling you that yes, B and C most of the time examiner are setting the answer key. Next one here, all of the above. 95% of the time all of the above. When you see that in the question all of the above option is there and you don't know anything, I am telling you this is only applied where you don't know anything. There only you do the guessing. And if the negative mark is not there, if there is negative marking, then don't apply it. So 95% of the time all of the above सही होता है. Yes, none of the above, दूर हटो, none of the above is 10% accuracy. So don't apply the none of the above. Rather than that, apply all of the above, 95% of the time it is coming correct. Here you can see in this question also all of the above will be the correct answer. Yes, all of the above is the correct answer for this one. So it is always coming correct. 95% of the time, always not. Now whenever you are doing questions with math, aptitude or reasoning or maybe theory also you are doing, remove the extreme values, because there are some extreme values ये नहीं हो सकता है, it's not possible. There is a sequence, there is like 1, 25, 35 and 1. So in between you can see 25 and 35 is nearby values. Other 1 and 115 it's very extreme values. So remove the extreme values and select the answer within the similar values. So these are very common values. You can predict that yes, common values can be the answer. Out of that, just your lucky number you can choose by removing the extreme values. This is also a scientific technique. Here last one I am telling you, here last one, not next one. Last one, so many tricks I am going to tell you. Similar answer. Like very similar, you can see 8 minus 8. Very similar type of answer. When in the answer key, very similar type of answer key they are giving. So obviously the similar answer key will be the answer. Most of the time you will see they are giving similar answer key in theory also, in numericals also. Then definitely whatever similar, that should be your answer. Out of them, any one of them will be your answer. So go for the similar answer trick. Here I am showing you in this option, you can see option B is the correct answer. Here option 1 and option 2, these are very similar. Option 3 and option 4 are not similar. But option 1 and option 2 is very similar. Out of that, option 2 is correct. Here you are applying the B and C strategy. Out of that, B is the correct answer. When you are confused between 1 and C or B and C, then obviously go for B or C. Means C or D. You can eliminate D, you can eliminate A. Go for B or C. Within this only answer will be. And where you are getting the similarity, you can see from the option, this is called similar type. From the option only you are able to understand it's very similar option. Now you can see assertion reason. Nowadays assertion reason is very popular. So here most of the time assertion reason question, these two options are always coming correct. Both assertion reason are correct and it is the correct explanation, or both assertion is correct but not correct explanation. If you don't know anything, then I will suggest go for the second option, that is both are correct but not correct explanation. This is also extreme high probability is there. Out of these two also I am telling you the second one is high probability, because examiners are setting the question where both are true but not correct explanation. Or out of these two, how you will be able to understand? Dekho. Just ask yourself why. As always I am telling, ask yourself why. Assertion and reason, is this supporting? The reason is supporting the assertion. If it is supporting, then it is correct explanation, otherwise not. But more two options are there, like it is true, it is false, it is false, it is true. That options are not coming. ऐसा नहीं होता है. 70% of the time you will see out of these two options are coming. More two options like true, false, false, true are not coming. If you don't know anything, then by closing your eyes, I will suggest go for the second number, that is assertion and reason is correct but not correct explanation. Or if you are able to relate that yes, the why answer I am getting, then go for the option 1. Yes, it is the correct explanation. Assertion reason is very popular. Here you can see an example in front of you. Here assertion reason both are correct but not correct explanation. Most of the time examiner are choosing this option. This option is 70% of the time for the assertion reason. This is the correct one. Especially for UGC NET I am telling. Out of the analysis only I am telling you. Now the last one. So I told you so many techniques. Last one, believe your brain. Always remember, when you don't know anything or whenever you are confused, you learn that topic but you are getting confused, this one or this one. Always believe your brain and brain signal. Whatever option first time your brain is telling this is the option, mark that one. but we are doing opposite. Our brain is telling option B is correct, but we are doing opposite, cross. No, this is not correct, option C. Or this is the blunder mistake. It is happening or not, let me know in the comment section. Most of the time, first time whatever you are marking, that is correct, but secondly you are thinking no, that one is correct. Don't do this. First time whatever is coming from your brain, that is your brain neuron is working like that. Yes, because our brain neuron is our friend. It is giving you 100% accuracy. Trust your brain. Next one, sometimes it is happening. You are able to recall that yes, I learned somewhere, but exactly which one can be correct, I am not able to remember. So what you can do, just send a signal to brain that yes, please search it. From which topic you learn, where you learn, try to recall that place. Maybe in this class I learn it, or in this book, in that page I learn it, or ma'am told it, sir told this, in this video I learn it. Just try to recall that situation. Whenever you are sending to your brain, then your brain will be recalled. Don't waste your time. Just send the signal in your brain, the back end, the process will be going on, and go for the next question. You will see after doing some question, automatically a response will come to you. Yes, this is the answer for that question. Then go back to that question and answer it. Believe me, your brain is the best friend. If you believe your brain, definitely your brain will help you always. In exam hall it is happening that we learned that maybe 1 year back, that is also coming to our mind, because in that exam hall environment our brain is super active, proactive. So believe your brain always. Whatever signal brain is giving you, that is the correct answer. That is the first thing. Whatever you are able to not able to remember, that is also the situation. Try to recall the page, the book, the classroom where you learned that topic, the chapter, which chapter. Just try to recall and try to send it to the brain. Your brain will search it, and definitely your brain will send the answer before ending the exam. Definitely you will get it before ending the exam. So I hope you like this video, and definitely last but not least, you have to solve lots of MCQ before going for exam hall. If you are not solving MCQ, if you are not attempting mock test, then definitely you can't apply any of this trick. This trick also required practice. That's why it's required mock test. So to attempt the mock test, definitely install Unify Study app. In our app, lots of mock tests are available, especially for UGC NET and SET category. So install the Unify Study app and practice mock test. By applying practice mock test, your so many questions will be practiced. Whenever you are practicing so many questions, then your revision, your mock test, your time management will be done, and after that you will be able to apply this trick and Tukka strategy also. I hope you will like this video. First time I made this video when I am telling it ki yes, go for learning, go for learning, go for learning, but before exam this is also required, because I need that those who are missing for 2 marks 4 marks, they should not miss it. 2 मार्क्स के लिए नहीं हुआ, 4 मार्क्स के लिए नहीं हुआ, ये बहुत बहुत पैथेटिक है. ऐसा नहीं होगा, इसके बाद ऐसा नहीं होगा. बी हैप्पी, बी हेल्दी एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. Definitely you will crack it, and please let me know in the comment section. Share this video to all of your friends so that they can also crack. इसमें please don't do कंजूसी, share it. Bye everyone, see you again in my next video.